When West Tennessee Healthcare started looking at a digital system, in my mind, there were very important things that we needed to consider. It needed to be something that was expandable.
I put it in my guys' hands and we tried it out all over the hospital, including the basement, tunnels, places that we've had poor reception in the past, and we got clear reception everywhere we went with it.
The thing that the Turbo system has done, it has enhanced our communication capability, obviously, by adding more frequencies for us to use without having to increase the license.
One of the major concerns I had was for the safety of my officers, and this radio has a man-down button that they can hit. It lets me know which officer is down, and everybody can respond to it. What's better about this digital product is the clarity that we have. We also can text message on the system. The battery life is twice as long. It's also a quick charge battery, 3 hours, and you've got probably an 18-hour charge.
Obviously, anytime you look at purchasing a new system, you have to consider the budget. And this organization being very conscientious, but then also looking for something that we could put in place today, it would still be sustainable in years to come, and we could build on that. Again, the digital Turbo Motorola technology allowed us to do that.